My personal presentation. Hi, my name is Juliet Barbosa Gil. I am 36 years old. I am from Barranca Bermeja, Santander. I am a housewife and a student. I am married. My husband is civil work contractor. My children are students. I am enthusiastic and extroverted. I like to dance and the sport. I like to share with my family. I do like the disorder. My daily routine. I wake up at 4 o'clock on weekdays. I enlist my children for school. I serve the breakfast. My husband takes the children to school. I have a shower and get dressed. I start studying 2 hours in the room. I cook and serve lunch. I do homework with my children. I study a few more hours. I cook and serve dinner. We go to sleep at 10 o'clock. On weekends, we share with the family. Thank you.